Hello, welcome back. So today I want to show you how you can create a planning poker on Mural. I guess this is a tool. Actually, this is a method that's is used on agile or scrum teams, and I feel like this is very hard actually for some of the tools. If the company that you work with, they don't have a tool or a specific tool that they pay on a monthly or a yearly base. So usually we do that, testing trial, and when they end, you don't have any other tool that you can use. So I came up with this method that if your company is already paying on Mural, you can use it to do the planning poker. So I just want to show you what I have been using as a planning poker here on Mural. So the first step is to create an area. It's a very small area because it's supposed to hold a single post-it note, right? So if I create the area and place it here and drag and drop one post-it note here inside, you can see that the size is very small. So how this is gonna work is you can type your team's member name here in the area. So for example, let's type in John, let's say Pamela, let's say Nick, and last let's pretend we have Mike on our team. Alright, so after creating all the areas for your team members, one of the first tips that I always give is to lock it up, so nobody's just picking it up and moving. So as soon as you define the layout, always lock the areas that you are creating, okay? And I usually select this only facilitators can unlock. So right now we only have these areas, which is enough as of now, but one of the things that will also help you facilitate the session is to create outlines. So next thing that I would do is create some outlines for those participants. So all I have to do is click with the right click of the mouse and select the outline option. It's gonna pop it up here. I just type enter. So I'll just do it for the others right now. Okay, so they are all here. So as soon as they join this Mural, all you have to do is instruct them to click on their name, and all Mural is gonna do is click here and direct them and focus them into their area. So here's the thing, for the planning poker, the best thing is to hide everyone's and everyone present on the same time. So how can we do that on Mural? So it's very simple actually. So before you start anything, I suggest you click on the private mode icon, which is a recently addition to Mural. So as soon as you click in there, it says yes, show authors when private mode ends. So as soon as you click start, nobody in the room will see the post-it notes that you are creating. So if I double click here, you see that this post-it note has this icon, which is only visible to me. So if we are voting, if you're doing a planning poker, I can type on my name this size or whatever we are voting, and nobody else is gonna see me. So as soon as all of them voted, you can just end the private mode, and all the other post-it notes that the teammates are gonna put in here, they will show up at the same time. So this is a way you can create a planning poker on Mural. It's very effective actually. It gives a little bit of trouble for you to create this if you have a big team, but as soon as you have it created, it's very simple to play around. And there are a lot of planning poker tools available, but some of them are paid. So this is a very good way. If your company uses Mural, this is a very good way for you to use the planning poker on here. So I hope you like it. Yeah, till next time.